Hello, it's my pleasure to see you back on my channel 4A. Everyone knows that ice contains less bacteria than a regular water. That's why I will show you benefits of it. Washing your face with ice can transform any skin for better. Most important is to pick right ingredients for ice. For oily skin, suits certain herbs and infusions. For dry skin, others. If you find perfect recipe for your skin, then it will help with following. Ice cubes for face recommended to use on the morning and night instead of your regular wash face. For ice making, it's better to choose clean water. You can use mineral or filtered water without gas. For ice making, it's better to use silicone ice tray than the plastic because obviously it's much simpler and easier to take it out from a silicone tray. Before frosting, infusions of herbs should be cooled down to room temperature. Infusion of herbs usually makes of 1 tablespoon of herbs to 1 cup of boiled water, but there's some exceptions as well. Juices, especially this applies to berries and citrus fruits, should be diluted with water in proportion of 1 to 2. Undiluted can only leave the juice of watery cucumber plants, watermelon, and aloe vera. Making ice is really easy. Pour it in silicone tray, water, juice, or herbs, and place it into freezer. It should stay in the freezer between 8 to 10 hours. It's better not to keep your ice cubes in freezer more than a month. Better if you make fresh ice cubes. Massage your face with ice cubes only on the main massage lines. I showed the whole chart in my previous video and the link to it is in the description box below. Hold your cosmetic ice with dense napkin, otherwise you can froze by the tips of your fingers. Rule number 2. Never hold the ice cubes in one area of the skin, even for a few seconds. You must move it all the time so you don't cause hypothermia of the tissues. And rule number 3. When you follow a massage line, start from your chin and go up your face. You can take 2 pieces of ice in each hand and equally move them in both directions. You can repeat this procedure up to 2 to 3 times and do separate your eyes area and your neck. You don't need to additionally wash your face or clean it with towel. Just wait till it dries and then you can apply your moisturizer. For oily skin, you need to add drying ingredients to your ice cubes, and the following ingredients would work the best. For dry skin, you need to add special ingredients. By the way, I'm one of those people who have dry skin as well. So you and me would use following ingredients. Ladies with normal skin, I'm jealous over you, but it doesn't mean that you should not take care of it because your skin can easily become oily or dry as well. So those following ingredients that you should use. And in my next videos, I will tell you how to do an ice cubes for your oily combination or even a dry skin. Don't forget to click that subscription button. See you next time. I really appreciate that you watched this video. Bye bye.